Welcome to first and only SaaS News Digest featured on LinkedIn, where I cover news, events, and updates that are happening in the SaaS community worldwide. Our first digest today takes a look at SaaS market in China. Author Lilian Li at technot.com points out some differences between the US and Chinese markets. Where in US has Amazon, China has Alibaba. Where the US has Facebook and Google, China has Tencent and Baidu. But when it comes to solutions like Salesforce or Adobe, China is missing out. So why are not more SaaS solutions on the market in China? Well, it turns out there are many factors to play, and from cultural mindset to cash flow. But possibly the more important thing to remember, the Chinese SaaS market is still in early stages. In the US, 8 out of top 20 tech firms are SaaS companies. In China, not a single one of the 20 top technology companies are SaaS, not one. And as Lee points out, SaaS companies are not hiding in the private market either. China is simply spending a smaller percentage of its GDP on IT solutions. Chinese SMEs often lack enough cash reserves to invest in systematic upgrades. And historically speaking, China has been a place for cheaper labor rather than big tech. And when it comes to China's largest enterprise companies, paying for the software is not a problem. The problems they are facing are with cloud adoption. And McKinsey reports that Chinese companies often have less advanced technology stacks. This makes cloud migration complicated and costly, especially in the first year of adoption. China is also introducing an increased challenge when it comes to customized solutions. And there is virtually no overlap between product features because of convoluted workflows. But Lee says, quote, "The advancements made by the Western startups have shown that the issues can be resolved with time. China needs VC with patience for longer timelines required for B2B startups to reach scale." And the Chinese SaaS companies Agora, for example, recently saw a successful IPO. Agora enables HD interactive broadcast for voice and video. And hopefully, Agora's current market cap of $4 billion is the positive sign of what the future holds for SaaS solutions in China. Our next digest takes us into the disruptive changes that AI and machine learning are bringing to the market. Forbes.com author Pekka Koskinen believes that this disruption presents an amazing opportunities for SaaS companies. And he says, quote, "SaaS companies that want to crash yours before competitors must bear a seat for AI and machine learning in their tech stack. The powerful pattern recognition and predictive analysis are the key. These elements help SaaS companies to meet the levels of personalization that customers are demanding. And this is the true, whatever it's a B2B, B2C, or direct to the consumer. Take WalkMe, for example, a digital adoption platform catering to B2B and enterprise companies. AI helps them with lead identification. Through the successful integration of AI, WalkMe was able to identify their top leads. And 40% of those leads contribute to, exactly, 80% of the company revenue. There are the companies such as SaaS startup AnyMail Finder are using different kind of AI. At AnyMail, an AI chatbot has allowed them to optimize their customer support and sales processes. Their chatbot delivers pre-written solutions to common problems and also measures the effectiveness of their solutions. And according to AnyMail, their new AI solution has generated 60% more revenue. And an amazing 9 out of 10 buyers are using the chat systems before they purchase. With results like that, it's great to see why companies are eager to adopt SaaS solutions with AI elements in play. Our last digest today talks about SaaS services in relation to open source offering. Is the SaaS success bad for open source? Well, some experts believe that opposite may be actually the truth. Many say it's not the matter of cloud versus open source. In reality, it's about shifting the focus for the end users. Companies that offer proprietary services still need open source. Take Snowflake, for example. They run open source software like FoundationDB. And Datadog is similar. They use Elasticsearch under the hood. SaaS companies make it easier to consume open source software, and many could not run without it. Open source will continue to build trust and community. And SaaS and cloud solutions will continue to implement those developments with their own. I hope you enjoyed SaaS News Digest. The SaaS News Digest belongs to all of us and provides the value to members of our community because of you. Please click on the like or insightful button. Share the SaaS Digest on your LinkedIn page, and let's work together in developing this community and setting new SaaS global standards. My name is Artem Gasan. I'm the general partner at SaaS Growth Ventures, and my superpower is I invest and fuel growth and revenue for SaaS companies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.